Hey, it's James Potenza, that Houston new home realtor. Today, we're going to be looking at this beautiful CastleRock quick move-in home in Sierra Vista. So yeah, this is a quick move-in home. It's a CastleRock home. We'll take a really detailed video of it just to see what you're getting. But yeah, so guys, I know it could be scary buying a new construction home, and you go to the builder, you don't know if they're doing a good job building your home or anything like that. That's where I come in. I'm a Houston new home realtor, and what I can do is I represent your best interest to make sure that you get a well-built home, and I can usually get you a really good deal, especially on a quick move-in home. So I'll put my contact information below, and I want you to give me a call. We can talk about a new construction home, the whole home buying process, and anything you need to know. All right, let's go take a look at this beautiful CastleRock home in Sierra Vista. All right, how'd you like that lake view? Yeah, this is on a great lot. So yeah, this is a CastleRock home in Sierra Vista. It's the Greeley plan. It's for sale, quick move in. I know I can get you a good deal on it, so make sure you guys contact me. Talk about new construction, how to buy a new construction home, whether you're building it or if you get a quick move in just like this one, I can get you a good deal and I can make sure the home is built right. So I've got my contact information right up there. And I want you guys to give me a call. We can just talk about the new construction process, just how everything works. I know you get a lot of questions. That's what I'm here for. I represent your best interest anytime, anywhere in the Houston area. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.